Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add all liked songs to a Spotify playlist on mobile and PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Spotify, click on the sign up option at the very bottom. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You can sign up using your Google account, your Facebook, you can even use your Apple, and you're good to go. Now, once you are here, adding all liked songs to a Spotify playlist can be a convenient way to organize and access your favorite tracks, because having all your liked songs in one playlist makes it easier to find and listen to them whenever you want without having to search through your entire library. Now that means it helps keep your music library and organized by centralizing all your liked songs in one place rather than scattered throughout your library. Because in my case, here in Spotify, I can easily share my liked song playlist with friends or on social media platforms, allowing others to discover new music based on my preferences, and it can potentially improve Spotify's recommendations, including the songs it suggests in your Discover Weekly playlist, as it gives Spotify more data about your music preferences. Now, the first thing we need to do from here is just go to the search option. Okay, so go to the search option. Maybe I'm gonna listen to reggae music for now. Okay, so say for example, I wanted to add all the musics of Bob Marley to my playlist, all right? So what I would do, if you're using a computer, press Control plus A, all right? Once again, press Control A, that means copy all of it. You have to do it manually, all right? And then, as you can see, you have an option to add to a playlist, all right? Obviously, from here, you can search for a playlist that you wanted to have all these like songs to be pasted on that. Now, I have here two playlists, which is the like songs and how to add all like songs to a Spotify playlist. All right, that's one way. So we're going to move this, all the like songs here, to the like songs playlist. Let's do that. And as you can see, now I'm gonna undo that again. As you can see, the icon thumbnail has been changed. But if I do that again, the changes will be reflected here on the like songs. All right, let's do that again. As you can see, it's been added here. All right. Now the next option is, let's go again to our search bar and look for, let's say, a 50 Cent. Right. So I'm going to go to the album of 50 Cent, and what I would do, say for example, I'm not going to put all these songs of 50 Cent into my new playlist, all right? I'm just going to be selective and cherry picked some few songs here. Say for example, I'm going to be in the club. I'm going to add this to my new playlist. All I have to do is, again, you can add to playlist right here. Click on this one, or you can Control and copy, Control C for copy. Go to the desired playlist right here and Control V for paste. All right, as you can see, it's been added to how all like songs to a Spotify. It's here again, right? So that's one way, or the other ways for you to add like songs to a Spotify playlist on mobile and PC. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.